Hello friends, in today's video we're going to talk about the Christmas clearance schedule and from the past, prognosticating where it's at right now and where it's going to be going. So Walmart obviously at 50% right now, and then usually December the 31st or January the 1st it hits 75%. Things that I think are really good to stock up on, these really expensive ornaments to get them for $4 and some change. I think that's really great. Now, when you're out and about looking at the store for clearance, look at end caps, side caps, all this stuff the staff didn't even put with the Christmas clearance section. This is all clearance right here. I scanned one of them and it was $4 and some change. And if you look at them really closely, it says like Merry Mini, different snowflakes, that sort of stuff that you're keeping an eye out for when you're looking for clearance in the store. And a lot of the stuff does not get pulled. Store like Walmart, different textiles like dishware, towels, that sort of stuff you're looking for. This, for whatever reason, should have been 50%, but it was still ringing up full price. Items like this, kind of your wild card, because if they don't change it in the system, perhaps when we hit 75 or 90, that's when, you'll get this for like $1. Wouldn't that be nice? Now, I noticed a lot at Walmart, like empty shelves. So I think when it hits 75%, the rest of the merchandise will be gobbled up. Couponers tend to really pounce at 50%. So when it hits 75, most of the stuff gets cleared at Walmart. Let's not forget when you are doing your, secret agent clearance shopping to look in the food section, like anywhere where you think there might be a little bit Christmas merchandise. Look there. Even like cake stuff, like this was 75 cents. I know there's a tear pad for Pillsbury, like $1 off too. It would make it really, really cheap. And when you're in the store too, look around because like this is a little clearance Adidas kit and somebody just threw it in with the garlic salt. I mean, how rude. But this stuff will be peppered throughout the store, so look high and low when you're over at Walmart. Okay, the next store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. So today, a lot of the food hit 40, but a lot of the general merchandise was either 40 to 50. Some of the fancier stuff was 40% off. Now, as it's predicted, on the 7th, it's going to hit 70%. And on the 13th at 80% or 90%. And yeah, lots of this, like 40% for this shelf for this important stuff. Give it to us for 50. But some other stores were 30%. But this Harry Potter stuff, the fancy dancy stuff, 40% off. Another store I went to, everything was tagged at 50. So I guess it depends where you are, the pricing that they have stuff. Okay, Lowe's and Home Depot. If you love to decorate the exterior of your home, these are the two stores that have a lot of stuff. So I know that Home Depot is 75, as is Lowe's right now, and it's predicted that on the 12th, it will hit 90. And how I'm getting a lot of these dates, it's just looking at the track of clearance for the last 2-3 years. That's where I'm just like, it'll possibly line up for these dates. So everything is tentative. Always follow social media for hard dates. And now we're over at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. So as of the 26th, merchandise is 50%. And then as per the sign, how I read it, January the 2nd, 75%. Or it could be the 1st. Sometimes these signs either start on the 1st or it goes right to the 2nd. And look through the store. This is a very large store here. They have Christmas stuff throughout the store. The coffee section, the baking section, this section, the wrapping paper section. Look everywhere. Final store is the Dollar General, and when they have the quarter sale, which is the 3rd week of January, this is when it is on. And if you see me not buying a lot of stuff, you know why? Because I want this stuff for a quarter. So here are the dates. Right now, items are 50% off. Now I'm just guessing here in my little crystal ball. On the 4th, it'll hit 70. These are all Tuesdays. The 11th, it'll hit 90. And then the 18th, 25. The 25th, it'll be 10 cents. And then February the 1st, we're down to a penny. And the 4th, 11th, 18th, and 25th, those are all Tuesdays. And that's usually when they have these markdowns. Now, here's an item that I photographed in the store. It's this little elf for $1. Nothing too special. But he's part of the Christmas display. Now, flipping him over, if you want to grab a screenshot of this for your files, if you see this says F21, and this is a Christmas item, if you scan this right now, it's 50 cents. And the other dates I showed you, you can use the Dollar General app to track when it's going to start clearing. probably the Tuesdays in January, as I just gave you that list. Look throughout the store in the food section if they have a holiday food section. Lots of this stuff, especially when it's like 25 cents, that pumpkin, the cranberry, there's stuff we want. A lot of this stuff, like these, I don't know how many sold. They're kind of creepy looking. You might be able to get a bunch of them for a quarter. The quarter sale is where it's at. Everybody goes really hard. If you can take that Tuesday off of work or come into work later, it's definitely worth, like, to get all this wrapping paper for 25 cents. Wow. And then even in the past couple of years, some of these gift sets also follow with that quarter sale. So I really like it. Air care is always a big part of this. So definitely start scouting out your Dollar Generals and getting organized for this sale. As always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.